Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make YouTube shorts on PC. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is you can use different software. So I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro. You simply need to open Adobe Premiere Pro and click on new project. Here you need to name your project and then you need to once click on browse, you can select the folder, and once you've done that, click on OK and click on replace. So I'm doing, and after that you need to click on this new item and click on sequence, and here you need to go into the settings, and here you need to select the DSLR, and time base is 30, and here you need to select the dimension. So I'm going to select 1080 into 1090/20, and here you need to select the square pixel and click on OK. So now you can see that it is now in the YouTube shorts dimension, and you can easily create your shorts and you can paste that short on your PC. So this is the process by which you can make YouTube shorts on PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.